Vaishnavi Rao, and if you guys are new here, I'm from Bangalore. I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle related videos. So if you guys enjoy such videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. It's free. So yeah, today is one of my favorite hauls. Ever since I was a kid, I am a big stasher or like hoarder of stationery. I have loved stationery shopping. I don't know, there's something about stationery shopping and like just gathering stationery which makes me so happy and calm. So I assumed a lot of people like that too, and I thought I would share what I bought. And so here's my quite elaborate stationery haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, sound off in the comments below and let me know which is your favorite item. Break. Oh, this is so good. Okay, so this is amazing. So I tried something new yesterday or day before yesterday. So I combined lime juice with my green tea, and oh my goodness, I am addicted. I can't stop doing it, and I am a big sucker for teas, and this is just sublime. This is so good. Alright, so without further ado, let's just jump right into the haul. So the first item, the first purchase in this haul is this. These are the Ad Gel Little Artist Brush Pen. Yeah, brush pen, and I am hooked. So since I started journaling, like bullet journaling, these are really handy. So they come with double tip. So one tip is for the thicker nib. Okay, there you go. Yeah, the one tip is for the thicker nib, and the other ones are quite sleek and slim. So this is how it looks. Yup. There you go. And these are pretty inexpensive. I think you have about 12 colors and they are priced for 150 rupees, and I'm super glad I made this purchase. I use them for a lot of things. I use them as highlighter for like if I'm reading or something like that, and obviously I use it for bullet journaling and making cards and stuff like that. I've always been quite artsy, but then I don't know, there was this brief period where I disconnected myself from art, but then now I'm getting back to it, and I realized I needed them and I got them. These are for 150 bucks. And next up in the haul, we have these Micron Pens. Now, these Micron Pens are Artline drawing system, and I bought them in two sizes. One is 0.2, yeah, one is 0.2 and the other one's 0.4, slightly thicker, and one with a thinner knob. So yeah, these are really good. I am pretty sure, like, if you guys are into graphic design or you know, any sort of designing and illustrate, if you're an illustrator or if you've ever gotten into the realm of that designing section, these are very important because they're very sleek and sturdy, and that's the best part. Yeah, and I think these were priced for 100 rupees each. I know that sounds crazy, but then they do come, they do last for a very long span, and so yeah, I don't mind buying them. And I use, of course, I use them for my bullet journaling, and that's exactly why I purchased them. Yeah, and these are in the shade black, obviously. Both are in shade black. Okay, next up, I bought two canvas boards because I am planning to make my background a little more colorful. So I thought, why not just paint something that I like. So the smaller one is a 20 into 25 centimeter, and this was priced for 50 rupees, and the bigger one is 25 into 30 centimeters, and this was priced for 75 bucks. Now I think these are inexpensive because obviously, like, once you paint them, they when you want to buy paintings separately, they cost you a lot. But then obviously if you're a little bit artsy and you can like manage to draw, so I think you can buy some of these and just draw something that you want. I mean, I believe that I can draw, so I'm pretty sure you can too. So yeah. Okay, and the next thing that I bought is this Fevicryl acrylic color. This is in the sunflower kit. So they have different types of kits. So this is the sunflower kit, and they have 10 shades in here, and I will read out the shades. Okay, it's ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, white, black, sap green, light green, brilliant, deep brilliant purple, crimson, lemon yellow, and orange. Obviously, I got them so I could paint on the boards, the canvas boards. Acrylic paints are the best ones to paint, obviously. So this was priced for 190 rupees. So you get 10 colors, 15 ml each. So this is priced for 190 rupees. And I actually like the colors that are there in the sunflower kit, and that's exactly why I buy them. Like, look at the color. Oh my god, the orange. And this is the deep brilliant purple. It looks amazing. Red, crimson, ultramarine blue, ultramarine blue, saying blue, everyone's favorite. Black, this one's sap green, light green, of course the trusty brown but a fancy name, burnt sienna, lemon yellow, and white. Pretty glad that I actually bought this kit. And the next thing that I bought is poster colors. Now, poster colors, obviously I don't use them on the canvas. I've never used poster colors on canvas, and I'm pretty sure nobody does. Yeah. So this is the Faber-Castell 12 poster colors. They have like rich, vibrant colors, and yeah, just like quickly read out the colors. I'm not going to show all the colors. I'm just going to open the box and probably show it to you. It's Snow White, Lemon Yellow, Chrome Yellow, Yellow Orge, Vermilion, Poster Red, Light Green, Poster Green, Cerulean, okay, I don't know how to pronounce this shit. I'm just going to put it on the screen like you guys pronounce that. Cerulean Blue, Prussian Blue. I've read that in chemistry. Prussian Blue, Burnt Sienna, Ebony Black. So these are the colors, and this is how it looks. Yup, this is how it looks. Focus. Yup, this is how it looks. So I thought I could use them when I'm making some greeting cards. Of course, New Year and Christmas is going to be here, so I want to get crafty this time. So yeah. Okay, this is priced for 170, and I think each color is about 10 ml, and it has 12 colors, and it's priced for 170. I think that's pretty okay. Alright, the next thing that I got is dark green, the same acrylic, Fevicryl acrylic color, but in dark green. This costed me, because I had to buy a single piece outside a box, this costed me 20 bucks, I guess, yeah. Focus. Oh my god, why the fuck is it not focused? What is going on? I think I've switched off the autofocus. Okay, anyway. Well, there you go. Yeah. This is the dark green, and of course it's 15 ml, and since I'm buying it without the set, it's costing me about 20 bucks, which is the same because this one costs about 19 because there are 10 colors. It's just 1 rupee extra, and that's okay. Let me just drink some tea. Oh yes. I love teas. The next thing I got is a picture varnish. So since I'm going to paint on these canvases, after I'm done painting, I would like to coat it with varnish so that the paints, the painting stays as it is. So that's exactly why I bought it, and it's It's priced at 90 bucks. It's 90 bucks. And this is a package. This is a bottle of 60 ml. So you have 60 ml varnish and it's priced for 90 bucks. Which is very essential when you're painting on canvas, so that the painting remains you know, the way it is. So it's usually used as a final protecting layer on the paint, on the painting. Yeah, no, you get the point. Alright, and then I got myself some brushes. So each, I think each one's priced differently. I think this was 30 bucks. This is the Tri-Grip Synthetic Fevicryl Flat Brush 6. Yeah, Flat Brush 6. And this is the same flat brush size 4. I think this, the 6 was priced at 30 bucks, and I guess this was 20, 4 was 20. And next I bought the thin brushes. So this is the same Tri-Grip Synthetic Faber-Castell thin brush in the size 5. And this is size 2. Size 2, this is synthetic again. This one's different. It's Camlin. It's thin. It's the thin one. It's the thin brush, and this is made of pony hair. Yeah, it's not synthetic. It's pony hair. Now this was these two were priced at 15 each. Yeah, 15 each. But this one was 20 because the bristles are made of pony hair. So yeah, and this is in the size 0. Yeah. Alright, this is actually quite old. This is actually the last item in the haul, but this is quite old. It's I think it's over a month and a half, I'm not quite sure. So this is the oil pastels, Camlin Oil pastels. It has 25 shades and it is priced for 85 bucks. You also get a pencil and a scraping tool with this, but I can't really find them at the moment because I'm a big mess and I don't know where I keep my shit. So yeah, anyway, so that's about it. Yeah, that's all. This wraps up the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I love stationery shopping and watching stationery hauls, so I thought you guys might too. So yeah, let me know what you think about this haul. If you guys liked this video or enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It is free. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, so subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. Also, if I also post aesthetic pictures about the same and fashion inspiration on my Instagram, so if you guys are into that stuff, go follow me on Instagram at Adventures of Miss Rao. I will leave the link in the description box below. Also, I will be linking all of the prices and you know, like wherever you can buy them online in my description box, so go check that out. I did buy them going to the store, but I will try to find the links where you can buy it online so it's easier for you. And yeah, so go check the description box below. I do mention all of the details in the description box below, so go check that out in every video that I make. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.